Welcome to this walkthrough of one of our most practical tools in Intelligent View, Heat Map Search and Layer Saving. With this feature, you can now layer your own store locations, competitor outlets, channel partners, or any other point of interest directly onto your Intelligent View heat maps. It gives you a powerful visual way to understand how close your target segments and your current customers are to where you or your competitors are physically located. And the best way to show how it works, let's walk through a real-world expansion scenario of a quick service restaurant, or QSR, looking for a new location to expand to. Scenario: Ottawa Burgers, expanding in a competitive market. Let's say we're working with a fictional quick service restaurant called Ottawa Burgers. They're doing well in the Ottawa-Gatineau region and are ready to expand, but there's one challenge: competition. Other premium burger chains like Five Guys and The Works already have a footprint, so the team needs to make a smart call about where to go next. They're looking for a neighborhood with a high concentration of lookalike customers and low competitive presence, ideally a first mover opportunity. Let's show them how the heat map search and layer saving feature helps them decide where to open their next location. Step 1. Refine to high opportunity segments. We've already uploaded Ottawa Burgers customer data and run an insights report using CMA Ottawa as the benchmark. Now it's time to zero in on their best performing segments. To do this, we use the opportunity dashboard to identify large high index segments they're already winning in. For Ottawa Burgers, those are L3, I2, G2, and K2. Let's go ahead and select those segments for now and then unselect the remaining segments on the file. If they were exploring new customer acquisition, segments like L2 or K3 might have made the cut too, but this time we're sticking to what's already working. Step 2. Look for lookalikes on the map. Now that the target segments are selected, we head over to the heat maps. Here we can see Ottawa Burgers' existing customers in red, but more importantly, we can turn on their lookalikes to spot high potential neighborhoods for expansion. From the heat map, areas like downtown Ottawa, Marchwood, and Orleans light up with opportunity. But which of these are already being served? Here's where the search and save layer feature comes in. We search for Ottawa Burgers' current locations, save that search as a layer, and instantly they're mapped out. We use Google Maps as our data source so that it's always up to date. It looks like they've already got strong coverage around Billings Bridge and Centerpoint, but Orleans, that's wide open. And Barrhaven and Kanata also show strong potential with solid lookalike density. So far, so good. But what about the competition? Step 3. Map the competition. Let's pick one major competitor, Five Guys, and use the same search feature to see where their locations are. We enter Five Guys in the search bar, save the layer, and now we can see their footprint relative to our target areas. And tough break. They've already got stores in Barrhaven, Kanata, and Orleans, every one of our first choice neighborhoods. But that doesn't mean we're out of options. Zoom out a little and you'll see a gap just north of Kanata, where lookalike density is still high, but there is no Five Guys presence. Even better, downtown Vanier, a high potential area with no Five Guys and minimal Ottawa Burgers presence. That's a prime opportunity. We know that location planning involves more than just data, but with Intelligent View, you can take one big question off the table. Are our next best customers in this neighborhood? With the ability to layer your own stores, competitors, and lookalikes, this feature gives you the confidence to make smarter, faster, more strategic location decisions. And don't forget, you can share these reports with anyone on your team or your agency partner, even if they don't have an Intelligent View license. That's a quick look at how you can use heat map search and layer saving to guide location strategy, understand competitive presence, and spot real growth opportunities. If you'd like help applying this to your business, just reach out to your customer success manager. We're always here to help.